RJ4All International Institute and the Chance for Change Erasmus Strategic Partnership are pleased to offer this interactive free CPE-certified e-course, aiming to train youth workers, educators, and all those working with young people on how to use media education and the power of restorative justice to address gender-based violence in youth settings. The e-course consists of 6 modules which aim to increase knowledge, skills, and awareness on detecting GBV, hate speech, gender norms, stereotypes, and overt discrimination while empowering our target groups with gender-responsive pedagogy, restorative justice knowledge, and media education. It has been prepared by the Erasmus and Strategic Partnership comprising of the RJ4All International Institute UK, ASAD Italy, JIDE France, Epimorphotikia Greece, OIE Cyprus, and Universidad de Huelva Spain. The e-course can be paused as many times as needed. It takes approximately 10 non-stop hours to fully complete all modules and take the CPE test. Additional reading material are also provided for optional further learning and research. Our target groups are youth workers, educators, professionals and volunteers working in both formal and informal settings with young people, criminal justice officials especially probation staff and youth offending teams, gender equality organizations, youth organizations, human rights and anti-discrimination NGOs, parents and teachers, young people. Learning objectives of the e-course are: increase knowledge on GBV, roots, types, dynamics, legal framework. Increase knowledge on ethics, boundaries, disclosure of reparative justice in crimes related to GBV. Creating skills in using the media to talk about healthy gender relationships and increasing emotional intelligence in young people. Increase skills in boosting young people's critical and analytical approach to how the media relate, convey, and communicate gender-based violence. Increase knowledge of restorative justice and how its values and practices can be used to prevent gender stereotypes, hate speech, and GBV and discrimination. Successful completion will lead to CPE, a continuous professional development certification.